For reliable results with recipes, you need a good oven thermometer. And we found home ovens can be inaccurate by as much as 50 degrees. Your oven has an internal temperature gauge, but it only reads the zone where it's installed, which is usually in a really out-of-the-way spot in the back or the side of the oven box. It's not necessarily measuring the middle of the oven where you're cooking. So we tested 10 thermometers under $20. Now first, we checked their accuracy. We put 4 of each model in the oven at 250, 350, and 450 degrees with a lab-grade thermocouple as a benchmark. With 3 brands, some of the models actually failed, showing temperatures that were 10 to 25 degrees off the real oven temperature. We opened them up and they all worked pretty much the same. So we really looked at how easy they were to use or not. I mean, look at this. Every time you pick it up, other ones just could not clip on the racks of 5 different brands of ovens we tested. And then, most important of all, could we read them? We looked with the oven door open and closed and from different angles. And some of them had an overhang on their faces that totally blocked our view of important numbers. Or they were so busy they were impossible to read. Our winner passed all the tests. It's accurate. It has large temperature markings, a simple, streamlined face, and a nice wide base that sits securely on all types of oven racks without all that fiddling and fussing. It's called the CDN Pro Accurate Thermometer, and it costs just under $9. But one last thing, you don't need to leave your oven thermometer in the oven all the time. You can use it to calibrate your oven every few months. Just put it right in the center of the oven, turn the oven on, and then check when it's fully preheated that it matches the temperature you set on the oven. You're going to learn if your oven runs hot or cool, and then you can adjust the dial accordingly. You'll always get better cooking results when you know your oven.
Thanks for watching America's Test Kitchen. What'd you think?
Well, leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or you can just say hello.
You can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
I'll see you later.